All right, let's see if I can get this video to stay. So I got the bike pulled apart, got a bunch of parts taken off of it here today. Valve covers, rear drive, starter motor. Turns out I did have a problem, and it was in the starter motor. Well, partially. So I noticed I had a couple of chipped gears in my starter motor when I took that off, and when I looked inside, there we are. That's my flywheel, and it's just rattling around in there, and it shouldn't be. So the mounts got broke somehow. Again, this bike's 40 years old. Who knows when this thing was ever taken apart to this extent. If it ever was, it might not have been. Probably has, but maybe not. So now I got to get the gearbox out, drivetrain, or the drive shaft out. I got the back tire off. I got to get the drive shaft out of there so I can separate the gearbox, but I need a big old socket that I ain't got yet. So good progress on the bike. Positive news that I think that I'm going to be able to repair this thing pretty easily, as far as nothing catastrophic being damaged, and get it back on the road sooner than later. So all in all, good news today in the BMW garage of Liberty Bell Beekeepers, and we'll keep you posted as things go along. Once I get my socket and get that swing arm off of there, we'll be able to rock and roll on this gearbox. So boom, there it is. Learn how to do some of this stuff. You can do a lot of maintenance on your own vehicles. It's very easy. It just takes a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of time to learn how to do it. And once you do, you'd be surprised at the amount of things you can do, and that you'll enjoy doing. Thanks for watching. Later.